What's up everybody, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all of you guys are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you, Sam Kolder inspired mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, camera preset. So guys, by using this preset you can just edit your photograph for your Instagram just like Sam Kolder, who is a very famous, YouTuber as well as, Instagrammer. So from the inspiration we got from him, we also decided to create such kind of, color effect for you guys just for free. So guys, you can just download this preset from the links down given in the description. Just follow his and subscribe his channel. He's a very famous photographer as well as creative artist. We do respect his creativity and the color effect which he uses in his photographs. So guys, before any further ado, let's jump to the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. Screen, just right click on the three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG, only select the raw file that are the preset file which are present in your computer. So here is a preset file that is the same Kolder inspired now, which is a new preset which I have personally handcrafted, and the same Kolder which he uses nowadays in his Instagram profile photos. This is the preset color effect. So just click on the add button, so it would be added to your all photos gallery of Lightroom. So just wait for it to be imported in this gallery. Here is the preset file. Now all you have to do is just click on the three dots on the right screen and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's import some photograph. I have already imported the photograph to my gallery of Lightroom. Now I just want to paste this preset and just apply it and make it look similar to that of Sam Kolder. And you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. It is really looking very similar to that of Sam Kolder. Let's apply to this preset. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can check out the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Nowadays he uses this kind of desaturated tones in his photos. He doesn't use teal and gold effect, but he uses a unique color effect. It is really looking very similar to this photograph or this effect. So you can check out the difference, and this is the preset which you are searching all over the internet. Let's apply to this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after. So this is the preset file or the color effect which you've been searching all over the internet. And let's finally apply to this photograph and click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference. It is really looking exactly just like Sam Kolder. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the preset. Same preset in the form of mobile PC Lightroom as well as camera preset in Lightroom and Photoshop. So guys, all you have to do is just download this Sam Kolder inspired new Lightroom preset from ashvircreations and filterpreset.com rare file from the links down given in the description. So you can just download the camera preset, also the Lightroom preset and also the mobile Lightroom preset. All the links are down given in the description. So we're gonna install this both preset in our Lightroom as well as Photoshop. So just right click on it and select extract here and also do the same process over here. Right click on it and extract here. Now just open the Lightroom preset, that is a .lr template extension. Now just copy this preset to your computer. So go to the right click on it and select copy, go to the C drive, select user, go to the ashvircreations or whatever user your name is, go to the app data folder and go to the roaming, select the Adobe and just go to the Lightroom and go to the develop preset and you can just paste those preset in this user preset, or I'll just paste it in the filter preset. And here is the FP Sam Kolder new AVC 2019. AVC stands for ashvircreations and FP stands for filter preset. Now we're gonna install the camera preset in the Photoshop. So just that is a .xmp file extension. So just right click on it and select copy. So here instead of Lightroom, just go to the camera and go to the settings and just paste the preset over here. Right click on it and select paste. FB same called new ABC 2019. So now let's just restart your Lightroom as well as Photoshop and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos to get similar look that of some Kolder. So here are some of the example images which I have already chosen. So let's try this one. Go to the develop and let's just from the preset tab just select the FP Sam Kolder new ABC. Here is the preset. Now just apply it and you can see the difference. Here it is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's reset it and let's apply the preset on this photo and you can see the difference. Now let's try some more photos. So let's take some example images. Let's take this Bali example image. Just click on this and you can see the difference. Your photo is totally turned into kind of bluish and gold look. Let's apply some more photo or the preset. Let's click on this and go to develop tab and here it is and you can see the difference. It is really an amazing preset, guys. So you can just check out the difference. Let's apply to this photo and just click on this and you are done. Really it is an amazing preset, guys. Let's apply to some kind of Disneyland castle photos. So here is the photograph. Now let's apply the preset and you can see the difference. It is really an amazing preset, guys. Let's apply the same preset over here. You can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. A lot of difference can be seen in the photo and it is really giving a very similar tone that of Sam Kolder, which he uploading the photos right now in this color effect. And we really do respect his creativity and the color effect which he uses in his photos. So guys, now let's jump to the Photoshop and let's apply the same preset on that photograph and let's see how it actually looks if we apply the preset. Let's apply this preset on this photo. Go to the filter. Let's go to the camera filter and just go to the settings. That is the preset tab. Now select the FP Sam Kolder. New ABC 2019 and here it is, guys. You can check out the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very amazing, guys. This is a perfect preset which you are searching all over the internet and this is the perfect very much similar to that of Sam Kolder look. And just hit OK. Let's open some more example images. Let's try it on this photograph. Let's try on this photo. Also on this photograph. Just drag and drop to Photoshop. Go to the filter, select directly camera filter and you can see that magic. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and mobile Lightroom preset and other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to check out our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also you're gonna find the most creative and the powerful preset of all the internet just for free. So guys, go and check it out that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.